Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yonela, as you might have seen by the title on the video. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be organizing my fridge. And guys, I've never done this before. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I've tried to search on the pictures from Pinterest and the videos, and unfortunately most of the videos covers double door fridges, and I've got the single door fridge. So yeah, let's get on. Unfortunately I have to stand here because of the lighting, otherwise this is the fridge that I'm going to organize, but I'm standing here so that I am covered with the lighting. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. You guys, this is gonna be a lot of work. I could tell by the things that I've bought, cleaning up the fridge, putting out everything and put them back. So guys, there's a lot of work. Please, I deserve a like, a comment and a subscribe. Don't forget to also put the notification so that you can keep updated on the things home. Since I'm a homeschooling mom, I thought I'm not just teaching kids, I'm also a mom and a wife, so I need to cover some of the things that we do in my house. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So yeah, this is the current situation, guys. It's a mess. You've been looking for things and you cannot find it. Sometimes you buy stuff that is already there because you didn't notice that it is there already. So yeah, let's go ahead and change this mess. Sometime during the month I've been purchasing these containers from different stores, your Mr. Price, Mambo's, where else, Checkers. So yeah, I've collected most of these containers, clear containers. I love them. So what I'm gonna do next is wash them and get them ready for use.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her, yeah. May babae ako nakitang kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya ay matik na. Parang pinanaka ni Cupido sa pool ka. Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay. Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin, panalo ka na mati.
Now I'm gonna start by taking off everything from the fridge and clean it.
Pwede mo ba kong alipin? Ikaw lamang ang laging nasa panaginip ko. Ayaw ko nang itigil to. Araw-araw.
So right now I'm gonna clean this mess. Look at this, guys. It's so disgusting. I'm gonna clean. I hope I've cleared everything. Oh yeah, that's it. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. I'm gonna take you through with me, guys.
Ikang aalagaan lang, sasabihin sa'yo na ikaw lamang. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Can I be honest? Pagising sa umaga di mo lang alam, ikaw yung tanging nasa isip. Hayaan kita sa paraan na ako lang ang nagkakaalam. Dagdag pa dyan ang ngiti niya, pag dinignan ka pa niya, sure na finish ka. I love the way she makes.
This is how the things is looking. Now I have to pack all these groceries. I'm not sure, guys. I don't trust that it's gonna fit, but I believe it is going to fit. So guys, stay tuned and let me now arrange. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a mess. We have to arrange everything here and put it back into those clear cabinets and back to the fridge. I hope everything fits perfectly well. Guys, I didn't plan this. I don't know how am I gonna put these things, so I hope you be patient with me. And as I'm gonna put things and remove and put them back, try up until everything fits perfectly well. So yeah, just be patient with me. Let's get carried on. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because this is a lot of work, child. Having to clear the cabinet. I've seen so many things. For example, I've noticed that I bought some of the stuffs twice because it was hidden behind the dirty fridge, behind the unorganized fridge. So this, guys, is a lot of work. Having to clear, wash everything. I deserve a like, I deserve a subscribe, I deserve a comment. Please be kind with me and like, subscribe and comment. For my efforts that I've put in on this is a job on its own. My Saturday is literally spent on this. Guys, please do the right thing.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her, yeah.
May babae ako nakitang kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya ay matik na. Parang pinanaka ni Cupido sa pool ka.
Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin, panalo ka na matik, pwede mo pa kong alipin.
Ikaw lamang ang laging nasa panaginip ko. Ayoko nang itigil to.
Araw-araw kitang aalagaan, laging sasabihin sa'yo na ikaw lamang. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Can I be honest? Pagising sa umaga, di mo lang alam, ikaw yung tanging nasa isip.
Kaya kita sa paraan na ako lang ang nagkakaalam.
Dagdag pa dyan ang ngiti niya, pagdinig ng kapwa niya, sure na finish ka. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk, yes.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her beaming down Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. And I can see her beaming down Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her. Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig mo, lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita. Na namimiss kita.
Guys, as you can see that I keep turning things around, but let's hope I'm gonna get there.
Pinaliwala niya ko dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang pagmamahal.
Kahit tagal ko rin binuo. Kahit tagal ko rin hindi sinuko. Bakit ganito?
Right, Okay, let me take you through on how I've organized. So here, this drawer came with the fridge, so I've put in here all my veggies, cabbage, brinjal, tomatoes, carrots. As I've mentioned, guys, I don't have bigger space where I would have put things into different categories. I had to mix everything here and they fit perfectly well. And then here I've got my spinach, I think my lettuce as well, some at the back. I decided to keep things green here just to make it uniform. So I've got my spinach, my lettuce, and my green pepper. And then here I've got my fruit, lemon and apple, just to keep color. And then there I've got my cold meat, Vienna's, ham, cheese, polony. And then these containers came in really handy. They close perfectly and you can also use them for oven. I got these from Checkers for 199. So they came in a pack of 5. I think I've got one that I haven't used. Yeah, so here I've got my green beans, I've got my berries, tomatoes, grapes, strawberries, and at the back, because these things couldn't go all the way there, I've got my margarine right in the corner, and then my broccoli. I like that these containers, they really seal your fruit and veggies and keep everything fresh. And then let's go up here. I've got my juices. Unfortunately, the bottle is so long, so I couldn't put in this style. And then here I've got my eggs, and in this corner I've got my dairy products. I've got kiddies yogurt, I've got my plain yogurt, the milk, and at the back there I've got ultramel. Yeah. And then at the top I keep my water, my amasi juice, and then I decided to keep this space free for leftovers. As you can see, we have leftovers here, which is a gammon which we're eating yesterday, and I'm still gonna eat some of it today. As you might have seen on the video, I had the rotating thinking for my sauces, but unfortunately I decided to take it out because it was consuming a lot of space and the fridge was just colorful. So I decided to put all my sauces on this door. It's not the sauces only, and some of the eggs. So I've got my sauces here, my chickens, my achar. I love to eat the cream with amas when I'm eating umvubo. My plain cream, my feta, and then my sauces and my other sauces. If you can notice here, my fridge had another container here, but I took it out because these sauces were long, so it couldn't fit. I decided to take it off and then keep my sauces here.
Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko.
Pakisabi na lang